In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a call to action button in GoDaddy website. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are in the correct site dashboard, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. After the editor opens, go to the page where you want the call to action button to appear. If you want to place the button in a new area, click Add Section and choose a section that works well for a button. If the page already has a section where you want the button to go, select that existing section instead. Next, click the button element if one is already available in that section. If there is no button yet, add one from the content options provided for that section. Once the button is on the page, enter the text you want visitors to see. This could be something like Contact Us, Get Started, or Learn More. Choose wording that clearly tells visitors what action to take. Now select the button action or link destination. GoDaddy gives you several options for where the button can lead. You can link it to another page on your website, an external website, an email link, a phone action, or another available destination depending on your site settings. After choosing the destination type, enter the correct details so the button sends visitors exactly where you want them to go. When that is done, save the button settings and check its position on the page. Make sure it is easy to see and placed in a logical spot for visitors. Then adjust the style and appearance using the available customization settings. You can refine the look so it matches the design of your website and stands out clearly. After customizing the button, click Preview to see how it will appear on your live website. In preview mode, test the button to make sure it works properly and opens the correct destination. This is an important final check before publishing. Once everything looks right and the button works as expected, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.